Alright, so his key's locked on the car. The metal piece broke off. So we're going to open it. And then fix his key and then make him a spare as well. All right, that's open. I'm gonna let him grab me the key. Should come out right now. Okay. Hey, you want to grab me the key?
Got you like that, okay.
Well, the calls that come from Google cost me so much money that I have to charge more.
Yeah, you gotta get that ad money back.
Right? 51652. All right, we're doing a Toyota Camry. Codes 51652. Let's compare that. See, this is a lot of people. They make this mistake. They'll buy a shell like this, and they won't swap it over properly because they'll just take this out, which is just your remote. That works, right? Yeah. Okay, yeah, I heard it. But there's a chip. This chip is what starts the car, so this has to come out. And that will, if you don't have that, the car won't start. Yep. I gotta be careful getting that out though, because this is not right.
That little key, if I didn't have the remote, it won't start.
What's that?
Even if I had that little key and I lost the remote, the car wouldn't have started.
Correct. Yeah, because you need that. You need it up against there, right?
Yeah.
There's something wrong with this key though. 44D. This is not. Let me see. This is not even the right blade. What am I doing over here? Hang on. These blades are wrong. I must have put them in the wrong bag. Okay, let's cut this one. Do you really? What do you do?
Like 30K.
You got how many?
I just gotta pay for the ads, you know. I just put money in it, but I go around like recording like crackheads and tweakers at night.
Oh, you're the lizard guy?
Nah, that's tweaker hunters. That's tweaker hunters. It's a lizard guy. It's tweaker hunters.
I mean, they're all right videos, but I gotta start doing better ones, you know.
Take a video and post it for sure.
I got you, bro.
Yeah, I'm trying to get up to at least 10K so I can start monetizing. Are you pretty consistent with it?
I was at first, you know. I kind of slowed down, you know, but
Really?
I'll start getting back into it.
All right.
Yo, guys, if you guys ever get locked out for your car in the valley, or you need a new key, hit up my boy right here, 7 keys, Locksmith. Get you right.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
You have Instagram, yeah, huh?
Yeah, I'm on all the platforms.
I look up Slinging Keys on Instagram.
Yeah.
Slinging Keys.
But see, Instagram doesn't like pay you for for views and stuff.
No.
So No, TikTok and YouTube will, it seems like. So I'm on all of them, but eventually I'll probably slow down on the TikTok because, you know, I can't work for free, right?
Nah, yeah, hell no.
All right, we gotta get this chip out. If I could. You should keep doing it if you're doing it. Why slow down if you got 30,000 followers?
I'm not following that. I got views.
Oh, views, okay.
I had 50-something views on all my videos.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
All right, not to brag, but I had 400,000. Actually, one of mine. So the same video on TikTok hit. Let me get this chip out. I'm destroying it. Doesn't matter.
Same keys, pop.
The one video on YouTube, it hit 2 million views about.
Yeah.
And it hit on TikTok, it hit like 400,000.
Well, yeah.
I don't know how, but.
It went viral overnight.
But my question is, why didn't they all subscribe? You know, come on, help a brother out. You know, right?
Like hit subscribe to watch more and but they like it.
Hit subscribe and then mute me if you really don't like my content. Just help me out, you know. I got this big ass rig on me. I can't really sit here looking for keys. I probably got them somewhere in here. Like I got a pack of 10 somewhere, but I'll show you what we're gonna do. Couldn't do what?
Yeah, the guy was trying to get him to give me a copy of my mom's key. He said he couldn't get the chip installed. If he gives me a key, I'm going to from the car that I can't put no place.
What kind of car?
It was a 4Runner.
Oh, I could have done it. That's good. Transponder clone, retransponder. Clone. Start.
They're going to zap and they're going to fall on top of the roof.
Okay. Super chip. Complete. All right, this should work now. Let's go put this back in. All right, here's your key. Try this one out, make sure it starts, and I'll put the door lock back in. Give me a second, I'll put this block back in. That's the new one, right? Cool, and your original one should start it too. Might as well try it. That way you know I didn't break that chip.
I got 2 keys.
Cool.
Cool, thank you, bro.
No problem, have a good day.